Today we will learn farm animals using puzzle cubes. You can find these birds in ponds and lakes. They have feathers and they have webbed feet, which are good for swimming. Do you know what animal this is? It's a mommy and a baby duck. So a mother duck and a duckling. Do you know what sound ducks make? Let's hear your best quack. This animal is one of the biggest animals on the farm. What do you think it can be? These animals have 4 stomachs. Do you know what sound this animal makes? Moo. Moo. Yes, you're right. This animal is a cow. This is a friendly farm animal. This is another big farm animal. You can ride this farm animal. Can you tell what farm animal this is? I think it's a horse. Do you know what sound a horse makes? Neigh, 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 neigh. You're right, horse. What do you think this animal could be? This animal has to be sheared. And this is where we get our wool from. Wool can be used for many things, like hats and scarves and blankets. Do you know what sound this animal makes? You're right, it's a sheep. Bah, bah. Sheep say bah. Usually farms have more than one of these running around. Can you tell which animal this is? They have feathers, and they have wings, and they have beaks, and they lay eggs. Do you know what sound a chicken makes? What do you think this animal could be? It's an animal that likes mud. It's another animal that lives on the farm. Do you think it's a pig? What sound does a pig make? Oink, oink. Oink, oink. You're right. And here's the last piece. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here, ba, there, ba, everywhere, ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, with a buck here and a buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere buck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack here and a quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
What is your favorite farm animal? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.